Very good morning, students, and welcome back. Today we will do chapter 2 of your grammar book, that is subject and predicate. A sentence can be divided into two parts, subject and predicate. Subject, the person or thing that is being talked about, discussed, or described. So, in a sentence, a person or thing about which we talk, discuss, or describe is called a subject. Or, subject of a sentence answers to the question who or what. So, in a sentence, the subject answers to our question who or what. First, write down the definition, then we will discuss about it. Predicate, the part of a sentence containing a verb and telling something about the subject. So, the predicate contains a verb and it tells something about the subject. The verb in the predicate can be an auxiliary verb, main verb, or both main verb and auxiliary verb. Note down the definition. Now, let us find out subjects and predicates in some sentences. Example 1. We should exercise every day. In this sentence, we have an auxiliary verb, should, and we have one main verb, exercise. Now, let us ask a question. Who should exercise every day? The answer comes we. So we becomes our subject. Now, what is being told about the subject we? Should exercise every day. So this part of the sentence becomes our predicate. Example 2. The weather is very hot. In this sentence, we have an auxiliary verb, is. Now ask a question. What is very hot? The answer comes the weather. So the weather becomes our subject. Now, what is being told about the subject, the weather? Is very hot. So is very hot becomes our predicate. Example 3rd. Read your lesson now. Children, it is an imperative sentence. In an imperative sentence, we command, order, or request a second person. A second person which is you. So in every imperative sentence, the subject you is hidden or understood. Okay? So in this sentence, we are talking about a second person, you. So here, our subject is you. Now, ask a question. Who should read lesson now? The answer comes you. So our subject is you. Now, what is being told about the subject you? Read your lesson now. So read your lesson now becomes our predicate. Example 4. Close the door, please. This is also an imperative sentence. So here also we have the subject you. Now ask a question. Who will close the door? The answer comes you. So you is our subject. And in this part of the sentence, we have the verb close. Now, what is being told about the subject you? Close the door, please. So, close the door, please becomes our predicate. Example 5. Where is my table calendar? Children, this is an interrogative sentence. Now, in this sentence, what are we inquiring about? We are inquiring about my table calendar. So, my table calendar becomes our subject. And in this part of the sentence, we have an auxiliary verb is. So, where is becomes our predicate. Example 6. Who broke the mirror? This is also an interrogative sentence. In this sentence, we have a main verb, broke. And when we ask a question, who broke the mirror? The answer is unknown. But that answer is in place of who. Whatever will be the answer, it will be placed in place of who. So here in this sentence, who will be our subject. And this part of the sentence containing a verb, broke, becomes our predicate. Okay children, so this is it for today. Today we learned about subjects and predicates and how to find out subjects and predicates from different type of sentence. I hope you liked the video and it will be of some help to you. For your homework, you have to note down the definition and examples in your grammar copy and try to solve the exercise from the grammar book. So we will meet again in another video with some new topic. Till then, thank you very much and God bless you all.